beautiful people. It's actually like 2 p.m. or something. It's New Year's Day, and I had the best time. The last time I had such a good New Year's, I think, was like a night where I took shots with everybody and just like knocked out, which is funny because that happened to like my roommate who like invited me to the party. So like that's my old roommate. He's a personal trainer. Get at him if you're in the LA area. He like comes to you. He specializes in kickboxing, and we're like really great like friends. He's like one of my best friends now. Like I feel like we tell each other everything. And yeah, it's funny because he knocked out and like didn't even ring in the new year, but like we were like we took at least 7 shots by the time it was like midnight. So we were just like drunk at that time, and like he was passed out, and like I was like with his coworkers, and like everyone was like really chill, and like it was such a nice time. Like it was just so good. Like um so I've pretty much been in bed. Like I got home at 2, and then like I was planning to come home like right at midnight, but I was like so like kind of drunk that I just like was sitting there. Like we danced so much too, like so much dancing, and like hardcore dancing, like really shaking it. We were playing like Shakira, Hips Don't Lie, like we were doing it. And it was so much fun. So then like I got home at 2, and I stayed up till like almost 4, just like sitting and like doing nothing really. And these are blue light glasses, by the way. Some Amazon company sent them to me, so I highly recommend them because I feel like if you have like sensitive eyes, like it helps with like dryness and stuff. So I just kind of wear them. I have 20/20 vision, obviously. So now I'm just gonna do some yoga to just like get my headspace right. I always do like a meditation, and I've just kind of been fasting. I feel like fasting is like the best after a night of drinking, so I do like at least a 16-hour fast. um so I'm not gonna eat till like probably like around 4 p.m. Which is good, like really good for you. You should like look up benefits. Obviously, I'm not telling you to do it. It's not for everybody. It's just what I'm doing. So yeah. Happy New Year. If there's anything I learned from 2020, it's that no matter what, you can do it, and everything's gonna be okay. And like I'm so excited for 2021 because honestly 2020 was such a good year. Like I used to be so resistant to change, but 2020 just made me so comfortable with change, like because I was like growing so much, and like I finally like grew out of like a relationship, and like crazy. That's a long story. Maybe I'll tell it later. But yeah, so I'm gonna do some yoga, and so I just did yoga. I did a live on my Facebook. I've been doing that lately if you guys want to check it out. Otherwise, I do have like yoga videos on here. And then I took a shower. It's like 3:30 now, and I made oatmeal. So I put like chia seeds, raisins, bunch of stuff, and then I made some tea, black tea. So we're making it through the day. I'm just exhausted. I didn't really sleep that much. But I hope you guys have like an amazing new year. Wish you guys the best as always. Not sure what's gonna happen after this, but I know I'll feel a lot better, so I'll check back in. Okay, so it's like 8 p.m. I pretty much just like ate and then have been laying in bed the rest of the time, like zombie mode, like way too much. I'm doing a mask now. It's the Aztec clay mask. You can find it you You can find it pretty much at Whole Foods. I saw it at Urban Outfitters too. I just put it in this travel thing. I like am so into like saving these little containers because sometimes you don't have time to go, like especially with COVID, you don't have time to like go to the store and like get little travel size things. So like I've just been saving my travel size containers and like reusing them. So you mix it with apple cider vinegar and it's actually so nice. So it's supposed to be like equal parts. And I put it in this like little shot glass. And then lately I've just been mixing with my finger because it just gets really messy. It's like clay, so it gets like messy. But yeah, I'm excited about the new year. I'm just like excited that everybody's excited, you know? Like I just feel like everyone was complaining about 2020 and like honestly it was like challenging, but we made it. Like what else is there to say, you know what I mean? I need to find a better way of measuring this. Okay, so it literally looks like gooey and like weird. But it's like my favorite mask because it's so like affordable. It's like $12 for a giant container, and like a little bit actually goes a long way. And it's just like good. And then try to only put it in the areas that you need it because it's kind of very strong. So like if you already have like a dried up pimple, it'll like kind of leave you a little scar. So just be like mindful of that. And then I leave it on for like 15 minutes, 15 to 20. And then I mix it with like apple cider vinegar. Okay, so what I've been doing, like I washed it off, and what I've been doing lately after I wash my face at night is I get a face towel and then I like hot water, because I like getting facials and they do this when I go get facials done, and like I don't go get facials every week, but I would love to. I just have like, I actually have so much work to do. Like I said, I didn't really do much today, but like I'm always like responding to emails, like setting things up. Like tomorrow I have like a business meeting. And then try to be gentle because the towel can be a little rough. I know when you have blemishes, you want to be like rough sometimes because you just want to scrub it off, but you actually have to be like extra gentle. So yeah, I was like setting up a meeting and then I might meet up with a friend after. So this is the toner that I used. I got it at Sprouts. It's just like something they had. I don't like love it or hate it. It's like whatever. So if you guys have any recommendations, because I'm about to run out, let me know. I've been using retinol. I got this at Costco. I did notice an improvement in my skin, but I haven't been using it like every day because it's like just an extra step, so I'm trying to use it every day now. So yeah, so I'm like always busy, but like I try to not overwork myself. I try to keep a good balance. And then I've been using this serum infused night oil from Skin Inc. And it's actually like, I wake up and my skin just looks nice in the morning, so I mean, can't argue with that, right? It says to just use a few drops, but I started using more because I didn't really notice like anything when I used just a few drops. And then very important to like do your neck as well, so just like do your neck. So yeah, that's like that was pretty much my day. I'm gonna try to go to sleep, but I probably have like a lot of things to like follow up on before I go to sleep. Yeah, I make everything look easy, and like, not that it's hard at all, but like I just kind of play, like I don't purposefully play everything down, but that's just how I am. I'm just like so chill, you know? I try to be. And I'm using this. This was like a gift with purchase from Clinique. And it's pretty lightweight. It's just supposed to be moisturizing, so that's my thing. So I'm just gonna brush my teeth, and then that's gonna be it for today. Comment below whatever you guys want. Thank you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up or down. I don't care, however you feel. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I'm gonna try to do more like vlogs, because like I feel like people are always asking me what I do, and like it's hard to explain because every day is so different. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. I love you. Be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and take care of yourself. And see you next time.